Ooh. Oh, perfect. What dark content are you watching?
Maybe I'll get cancelled. I'm just mad lazy. Down boys. Kandivali. So it's do some pitai shitai, do some boxing.
बॉक्सिंग से याद है आप जिजित्सु कर रहे हो
यार चल रहा है.
बट
I actually only do Instagram. Been a sellout person.
by the end of this I'm going to tell you to roast me.
No. नहीं.
Hi from Root, this is me Mehul. Welcome to The Other Side. The Other Side of who? Okay, let me take you back. There were waves, positive and negative, all throughout 2020, 2021, 2022. But we're talking about an amazing, an incredible, a very fun wave called Ruhi Dasani. Being yourself while creating content. I think sometimes the lines can be so blurred and it can be so difficult, especially for a creator to, show themselves, but also to be able to fit into what the audience is going to like. How do you balance that personally?
I feel like since the past year, what I've started doing, because I know you create a content and then it can get monotonous, people can get bored of it, because I get bored of content too, like other people's
100%.
content, right? So we have to keep it moving, and we have to work with the trends at times. Sometimes we have to create the trends, follow the trends. But I feel like to keep my mind happy, what I've started doing is, if I'm enjoying the video while shooting it, if I'm enjoying the process, I genuinely don't care about the numbers, because it's not in your hand. Algorithm is game चल रहा है बस जैसा जो चल रहा है चलेगा जिसका चलेगा, and it's entertainment, right? You're not always going to be up high, and this was not even my planned career. So I'm very grateful, and I feel like to balance it out, I here and there, at times it's how I strategize. I'll collab, I'll make an organic video when it comes to nostalgia, going back to old days. People can it hits you, right? Because I was living alone for 8 years.
Yeah.
So I was like, what was I missing? I was missing my childhood, I was missing my home, especially when
family.
I moved abroad.
Yeah.
So doing that and of course keeping up with the trends. And to be honest, I'm not too much on social media. I post and I let it be. And then I'm watching dark content.
Wow, dark content. Let's talk about that. I had a numerous amount of segues. I want to know about your home, your life before this. But first, what dark content are you watching?
Maybe I'll get cancelled. That kind of content. I feel like content that makes me feel good. It's very dark. I don't even know if I can discuss it, but short people walking around. It's just, it's a lot. It's very dark. I love it. I feel like a lot of people watch it because I send it to a lot of people, and then they can relate, and they also we share it. So it's that. It's also I'll be watching some YouTube, it's always very different than what I do.
Absolutely.
I love watching cringy reality shows.
Wait, can I? Which one?
It's a lot, Love is Blind, Love Island.
Yeah,
It's a lot.
dude, those things.
Yeah,
amazing.
it's I have more cringy shows too, but I'm not gonna name them again.
Perfect match.
That too, yeah. I have Hindi cringy shows also, but it's guilty pleasure, it feels good. And then to watch clean content, I watch crime. I like docu-series. I like everything crime and thriller. I love it. It's pretty cool. Psychological thriller shows. I feel it's just very fascinating to watch.
Absolutely. I think a lot more audiences are leaning towards that now because we've already saturated the romance category, the superhero category, for God's sakes.
I
Oh my
can't
God.
do superhero. I'm sorry, they're gonna hate me. I can't do superhero. Yeah, मुझे नहीं मजा आता action देखने में. But nowadays I've started watching something new. Pakistani shows because of my mother.
Nice.
वही चल रहा है पूरा दिन घर पे, and then I'm in love. It's just very calm and it's very cute. In the start I was क्या देख रहे हो? Then I'm also क्या देख रहे हो?
क्या देख रहे हो?
क्या देख रहे हो?
Okay, since we're talking about content and different types of content, long form, short form, I heard that you had a YouTube channel and you used to do long form. Essentially, you do short form right now. you do Instagram, you collaborate with so many brands, so many celebrities for film releases, song releases, track releases, and of course brand associations. But long form content, have you thought about it? Do you want to go back to it?
I've been thinking about it only. The thing is, you won't believe, before moving to the States, I started a YouTube channel, and I created 3 videos, and then I got approached by an agency. And back in the days, I don't think YouTube was like a big thing. Like, it was just,
There were a
very few creators,
Yeah,
I feel
handful of
like.
people.
And I was like, yeah, it's fine. I used to watch, of course, Lily Singh, so it's like that time, right?
Liza Koshy, Lily
Exactly.
Singh, that was the
Proper like
golden
OG.
era.
So I created, and then they approached me, and then I was like, do I go to the States or do I stay here and do this? And I picked the States because, of course, I'm born in the States, so it was easy. It felt comfortable, and actually no, it felt uncomfortable, and I wanted to get out of my comfort zone and like just move to a new place all by myself and like start a career. And it's funny how life is like, how your life is like. If you have to come back to this,
It's a
you
full
will-
circle.
Yeah, exactly. You will somehow make your way back home.
Yeah.
I never thought I would move back.
Yeah.
So coming back to the questions, of course I want to create long format content. I have a lot of like ideas and IPs and all of that. I'm just mad lazy. To be very honest, I'm giving like
That's super honest. That's great.
Like, it's just excuses on excuses, and I would like to create. I don't know about vlogging. I won't vlog because again I'll get cancelled because of my friends.
But fiction stuff, like creating a story, making a comedy.
Yeah, or like even like, have you watched Pop the Balloon on YouTube? Like all of like fun dating shows. It's just so much fun, right?
Dude, yeah.
Exactly.
And
so,
even the blind date one,
Yeah.
you can reject a person.
exactly. And in India, imagine, like, wow. And like fun game challenges. So it is like very important for the creators to like open up and not be too comfortable. Right now, I am very comfortable.
Coming to that, you were talking about Instagram and ideas. How does your funny work? Because you are quite the perfect balance between dance and comedy
Hanji.
and scripting. With all of your associations, we've seen that.
Right.
How does your funny work?
I feel like when I started making these videos, I had no idea what content was. I had no idea that I was funny. Like, I mean,
The
I'm not-
dance videos?
Yeah, like literally the OG dance videos, bikini shoot and all of that. And then the funny part was also like coming hand in hand. I don't think I'm like extremely funny, but I feel like some people enjoy it. It's a very nice family, you can watch 30-second type of reel. It's fun, it's quirky, and what I've realized is I know how I come up with content, to be honest, is when I'm on a drive, all by myself listening to music, because it's always about dance, right? Yeah, so I visualize my content and what I can do. That's why it's so difficult for me to like explain it to a brand and like explain it like, bhai ye hoga.
So true.
Because it's like I'm visualizing, I know it'll come out great. And yeah, it's all about just brainstorming with my friends. I talk to my mom. Of course, people who are in content industry, they're always like, they're alert to see what's happening, what's relatable, and what's trending. So I feel like when it comes to like fun and funny, it's like sometimes it's funny, sometimes wo kuch nikal hi jata automatically, and it's again being natural and like just having fun at the moment, at the time.
Yeah, I think in the moment. And I think as you do it for a longer period of time, you get the hang of it. It becomes
Exactly.
muscle memory.
To be honest, if you plan it, it doesn't go the same way. If you don't plan it, it's actually funny, and it's like it's that one take that comes out. No, it's like, हाँ बस यही सही है. I've collaborated with like a lot of people, a lot of actors too. Like literally, I've been there on the spot, and I'm like talking to my manager. I'm like, क्या करें? It's I've been there too. So and it came out like really amazing.
Yeah.
But it was just natural because I know what that person can give me for the reel. I know how spontaneous that person is too. So it was like fun, 0% planning, and we shot like 2 videos. So it was like so good. And it was Anil Kapoorji.
Oh my
So
God.
he's like, I know he's a legend. I know what he can do.
Yeah.
He's like, Rui, Aja. We played the song. We shot like 2 times, 2 minutes. One first take, I was like just stuck ki main kya karu. Second take, I was like, sir, one more take. Usme I was like, let's be open, let's enjoy. So it's pretty cool. He's amazing.
you were talking about your associations with celebrities, I did want to speak to you about anecdotes because we see on your profile there are so many A to Z, man. There's Priyanka Chopra, there's the Jonases, there's Ranveer Singh, there are cricketers, there's everyone. Of course, you said about how Anil Kapoor sir was so supportive and he knew what to do and what he was just like, okay. What about Ranveer Singh, man? Because I feel like your aura and Ranveer Singh's aura, you guys vibe match.
Yeah,
do you?
oh, definitely. Like, I look up to him. He's amazing. I feel like he was the first one to actually like recognize me and follow me when I was
Yeah.
at 50K followers.
For the bikini shoot.
And
Yeah.
he was, and I was just like,
I
whoa.
think he
like,
shared it on his story, if I'm not wrong.
I don't know, but he followed me, and I was like, I'm good. I'm happy. Like,
Yeah.
my life is, I'm happy. Like, it's perfect time. So he was the first one, and I love his energy, his everything. Actually, his whole personality is pretty chill. Whatever he shows, and wherever he like meets you and greets you, he makes you feel important, and that's amazing. He's a great person. I met him like 3-4 times.
Yeah.
Shot with him. He's a sweetheart. And it's something that I enjoy watching him, and I feel like it naturally comes out. Like whatever, I wear a hat and people are like, same, you all look alike, Ranveer Singh ki behan hai. I don't mind. I love it. Same family, Punjabi, kind of.
Exactly.
So-
Or without caffeine, caffeinated.
Exactly.
In the moment present.
I need a black coffee and I'm done. I need music because I don't drink. So even when I go to parties, I have like a Tetra Pak juice ka pehle. I stopped drinking juices also. But water with lemon so that people think whatever सोचना है सोच लो. मुझे पता है मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. But I enjoy it. It's all like in the moment. So just enjoy the vibe, and I feel like he is a very like positive person. Like wherever he walks in, people are like gonna look at him, and that's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
he doesn't try. I don't
Yeah.
think he tries too hard, and that's what I.
Dude, I think that aura thing goes with Piggy Chops as well, Priyanka Chopra.
Oh, don't talk about her. She's like I
no,
love
talk
her.
about her, please.
Man,
I love her too.
I feel like after I'm to be very honest, I love her. Like I was not a fan. Okay, before meeting her, I know it's Priyanka Chopra, and I was like, wow, meeting Priyanka Chopra, it's like big thing. I love her acting.
Yeah.
After meeting her, I'm in love. After shooting with her, I was like, I want a buddy didi like her. Like, wow, she's so cool. Again, the same thing with Aura, and I feel like I felt that with like everybody who I've collaborated with. They are amazing to work with, and she was just so good, so natural, and with her, it was so organized. It was on time. They started like a timer of 20 minutes. They were like, there you go. This is all you have to shoot.
Great.
And I plan it very nicely before I shoot anything except for Anil Kapoor ji. So it was like fat karke we did whatever we had to do. She also improvised the script
Wow.
on the spot.
Brilliant.
In the end she was like, I really enjoyed this. She was singing the song. She spoke to my mom on FaceTime.
Yeah.
Oh, sweetheart, man. I'm in love. Like I'm a fan.
Yeah.
After meeting her, they say that,
Don't meet your heroes.
Exactly, and you just feel something कि बस off हो जाता तुम. You don't connect after meeting them. You don't feel the same. Yeah, this is different.
Yeah.
Me and Priyanka Chopra ji, oh my god. Like after meeting her, big fan. Big
Up
fan
to
of her
Priyanka
voice.
Chopra ji and all.
Man.
Okay, so let me take you back. 27 is an age where you can't even experiment with work a lot.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
it's not even like you've lost a lot of time.
Facts.
It's not like, oh, midlife crisis.
नहीं.
ऐसा भी नहीं है.
हाँ जी.
So, are you happy with the career line that you have chosen?
Oh, I am. I feel like I'm pretty happy. I'm like very grateful of where I am because I feel like until last year I was doing IT and content creation.
Yeah, you said you had a full-time job
Full-time
along
job.
with content creation.
Exactly. So I feel like it was because I come from a proper 9 to 5 in the States. I was doing that, and वो एक छोड़ना ना, that's like a primary job. It was like hurting me. I was just like very scared, to be honest, to get to like content creation because people think it's easy. ये just phone ला के video बना लिया. It's not easy. It's 24/7 work, and especially when your video does good, you're like, अब क्या बना है? So
it's more pressure after
it's a lot
you do
of
well,
pressure.
right?
It's a lot of pressure. So that was me running away from pressure. That's why I had that job. I'm like, nah. I have a full-time job. Please, मुझे इस पे focus करने दो. But I feel like the experiences that I've had in the past 4 years because of content creation, I would never if I was doing the 9 to 5 job and if this was not like the path that I chose. Because I'm so grateful because there are a lot of good things that have happened. I moved back home. I'm with my mom now. Bought a car. Everything is just so good. And my goal in life is to be financially comfortable and not like oh rich पैसा. I feel like यार ज़्यादा पैसे वाले ना बहुत stressed होते हैं life में. Like they're in the head. So I feel like just to be comfortable जितना है सही है. And if nothing works out, there is always something will work out. That's what I believe in. I've never been so specific about ye karna, ye karna. I've worked at Dunkin' Donuts. I've worked at a warehouse. I've worked at Walmart. I've worked everywhere in my life. So I'm comfortable with going back to anything until unless I can make a certain amount of money that is going to give me a comfortable lifestyle. And because I see people who are not making itna, here and happy. And what are we running for? Like in content creation, especially, people are running. Like they're like going crazy. Ab ye bhi karna, ye bhi karna, ye bhi karna, ye bhi karna. Chill out. Like you don't have to be at the top all the time. Appreciate other people, appreciate their work, and take a step back because it is, trust me, like affecting a lot of people's mental health. And
Correct.
it bothered me too for like 6 months when I moved here. It was like so much happening with me, and then it stopped, and it was like what's next? But then I took a step back. I'm like, everything is good because your mind plays with yourself. So if you have a disciplined lifestyle, if you have a goal and you don't get influenced by other people all the time, it's very important to stay grounded. So it's a lot of things, and I feel like I'm working on it every day to be mentally stable and happy. So yeah, health and wealth, only goal.
Health and wealth. Cheers to
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
You were just talking about the commercial aspect of it, the money aspect. A lot of people nowadays think, oh my God, there's so much money. You just, yeah, man, I think I should start doing content. I'll start minting. What is the reality of it? Take us to the deep ends because I know that Instagram doesn't give any money.
No, it doesn't.
So how does a creator who's specifically an Instagram content creator, how do they make money?
Yeah, I actually only do Instagram. They don't pay, but we have brands. Brands work with us. We do
Agents.
shoots. Yeah, exactly. I have an agency. I work with Collective, so they get us stuff, and we work with brands, and that's how we make money. Definitely a lot of money in this industry. That's why people are getting into it. First of all, it is. I wouldn't say it's easy money, but it's a lot of money in what you're doing for sure. And yeah, I feel like my first work call, the money call, वहीं से मुझे भी idea है ना कि ये करते रहेंगे. When I would be like, yeah, ठीक है, 2-3 videos I'll make and I'll stop. So it is, yeah, too much money. यार. I to enjoy. But again, when it comes back to the greed part. लालच में नहीं जाती हूँ. I work with it monthly, like 3-4 brands. I'm chill, I'm good. I don't want to do too much and make it like fully like
Yeah.
jungly rummy types. But so to keep your profile clean, you have to do organic. You can collab here and there with people you like, people you enjoy, like their work, and you can do a branded content. That's how I plan my week. Definitely, it's a lot of money, and the only thing is brands can be a little annoying when it comes to like working with them because they pick you as a creator, but then they don't want what you do, and then it doesn't work out. So it's just like why,
Have you ever gotten a brand with like who had a tunnel vision and you couldn't really do what you wanted to do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been a sellout person. Of course, I mean, if they put this money out
Bro,
like that,
if it's giving you the kaching, then
इतना तो
BS.
हाँ, I'll be like ठीक है इतना दे दो 6 महीना आगे कुछ नहीं चलेगा मैं सोच लूँगी 6 महीने में. I need to be secure. You have to use
I
your
love
mind.
that, yeah.
It's not about like oh I'm very like I'll only do what I love. It's not like that. Of course, I won't promote some things that I don't use at all. I try to stick to that. Like whatever I use, I promote mostly. But yeah, they've been very annoying at times, and I tell them literally before posting, it's not gonna work. They're like okay, post. After posting, I'm like I'm not even gonna story it because जाएगा जैसे जा रहा नहीं चला. Then they're complaining. I was like,
बोला
I told
था.
you, मैंने बोला था, because we're not stupid people, right? We do our organic stuff. People like it. So people don't like it, certain things, it's fine. But most of the time, at least it should be 50-50 is what I think.
Yeah.
Most of the brands are amazing.
You come off as such a sunshine, sweet person. How do you deal with the negativity then?
Maybe I don't read the comments, but if I do get now if it's a negative feedback, to take that, of course it hurts, but it's nice. Because if I'm working on it, if they're like genuinely telling me, I understand.
Yeah.
But if it's like negative comments, something about my looks or like certain things that is like either funny or something I did that they didn't like, I'm chill with it because ठीक है यार क्या ही हो जाएगा, मतलब I also understand.
You can go wild with this, with your imagination. If not this, where would you be at life?
FBI agent.
That was quick. Like you,
FBI
you've
agent.
dreamt about this.
Yeah, I've always wanted to. That's why I watch a lot of crime shows.
Yeah.
I won't be able to be one. इतनी बेशर्म मेरे से तो हो ही नहीं पाता. I can't keep a straight face. But yeah, FBI agent. I feel like it's a like somebody asking you, what are you? FBI agent.
You know that you can't
I can't, but
disclose it, right?
Oh, this is why I'm not. This is why I'm like, I literally actually, when I went to the States, I was gonna get into the army, US Army. Yeah, it was a long story. Now if I start that, it's gonna go. So that was my like plan. मेरे दिमाग में तो था संदेश से आने हैं nice कपड़े
You are also a 90s
yeah, so
music
my
kid.
army and all, I was like, yeah, I'll, die for the country and all of that. Passed my physical, passed everything, the test and all. But then something happened. Somebody stopped me who was in the army, and they were like, just don't, do this instead and whatnot. So I chose this path, like, of course, working at a warehouse and all of that. But yeah, I've always wanted to. Like, it's just like, see, anything combat, right? Again, that's why I do MMA. So FBI is very different, but still.
Thank you so
Right.
much, Ruby, for joining us.
Thank you for having me, and lovely. This was amazing. Had a fun time talking to you, speaking to you.
Okay, that's a wrap.